In order to successfully add USDT in your MetaMask cryptocurrency wallet.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
First step, open up the wallet and click right here, these three dots. Click on import tokens. In order to import this token, you want to go to search and then type underneath tokens USDT. This should show the remaining USDT tokens that you can successfully add. As you can see, if you click, it will check mark and you can click on next. You would like to import this token. If this does not work, you want to go to import tokens. Go to custom token next to search, select the network of your choice that you would like to import USDT, and then paste the contract or the token address. Under CoinMarketCap, type in USDT, locate the contract address of your choice. As you can see, you want to click here to copy the contract address right next to the ticker symbol. Go back to your MetaMask wallet, underneath custom tokens, select the network of your choice, paste the USDT address, click on next. It's going to confirm you would like to import this completely for free.